You search for how to buy shares of Neurocrine Biosciences Inc., a biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NBIX. Neurocrine develops treatments for neurological and endocrine conditions. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy NBIX, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as a neutral example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which commonly requires an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker NBIX to find Neurocrine Biosciences Inc. Look for the NASDAQ listing to ensure you select the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and a price chart to confirm it matches Neurocrine Biosciences Inc. Check the ticker NBIX and the NASDAQ venue to verify this is the right listing. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will queue and execute when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. After confirmation, the NBIX position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.